Ohayou Real Estate. Good morning Real Estate. Good morning mga ma'am sir. So nandito ako ngayon exactly kung saan magko-connect ang Davao at Samal Bridge. So Barangay Limao here at Samal Island. This project will connect Davao City and Samal Island. Kaya binobroadcast. Bakit ko binobroadcast ko ito? Kasi po, ayan na. Grabe. The real estate property will definitely goes up in Samal Island. So we have lots to offer to you mga ma'am sir. We have beach line, shoreline, lot only with title. Ha? Take note. With title, clean title. So ayan. So this is the nakikita nyo rito, nandito yung picture kung ano magiging kalalabasan ng aming 2 lanes bridge here at Mindanao. Ito po ay isa sa mga 6 priority projects of our President. Mega project bridges in the Philippines. So kasama po ang SIDC or Samal Island Davao City Connector Bridge. So ayan po, kita nyo yan. Ganong kaganda po ang magiging kalalabasan. So invest in real estate, invest in shoreline, beach line, at ito po ay matatapos target completion year 2027. So ano na tayong year ngayon? 2023? So imagine mga 4 to 5 years from now, may enjoy na natin ang Davao and Samal. And ang property, definitely mag-appreciate. Kaya invest now, not later. Contact us and PM us about beachline property and lot only property. Okay, keep safe. Bye-bye. God bless.